Peanut, look. What? Ay, sus.
If you're a fan of heartwarming family moments and adorable babies, then you're in for a treat. Luis Manzano, the well-known actor and television host, recently shared a new video featuring his daughter, baby Rosie, and it's melting hearts all over the internet. In the latest video shared by Luis Manzano on his social media platforms, we get a glimpse into a day in the life of baby Rosie. From her morning jiggles to her bedtime snuggles, the video captures precious moments shared between father and daughter. The bond between Luis and baby Rosie is evident in every frame, showcasing the love and joy that they bring to each other's lives. Watching Luis Manzano and baby Rosie's new video is not just a source of entertainment, it's a reminder of the beauty of family and the precious moments that we should cherish. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, seeing the pure innocence and love shared between a father and his daughter is a heartwarming.
Peanut, look. What? Ay, sus. Peanut, look. Ay, sus. I love you. Sige, okay. Ay, sus, dance. Kaya ako, kung sakasakali man na tumakbo ako, sabi ko, ang priority ko is healthcare.
That's true.
Para sa akin. Masakit palang ulo mo, naka-wheelchair ka na.
Sorry.
Nanakit. Masakit. Aalagaan ko ang kalusugan nila. Masakit ngipin mo, cremate na.
Ang nakasira ng ulo ko.
Ganon ko. Tatlo ang naiisip ko na pag ako'y tumakbong politiko, eto ang ipapangako ko sa'yo. Una, masakit palang ngipin mo,
Okay, cremate ka na.
na wheelchair.
A wheelchair.
Inaagad-agad mo naman, Ma'am Steve. Yung masakit ang ngipin, ang cremate.
O tapos?
Eto ngayon, may sinok ka pa lang, ipapa-autopsy na kita. Nagpapa-check up ka pa lang, nandun na yung embalsamador. Pangatlo, eto feeling ko, etong ikakapanalo ko. May dumuralang na lasing sa kalye, may ayuda na kayo. Peanut. Peanut, look, Peanut. Peanut. Again. Peanut. Again. Peanut, look, Peanut. Okay guys, may tanong ako para sa inyo. Isang matinding tanong. Ikwento ninyo sa comments kung ano ang pinaka-memorable na moment nyo sa inuman ninyo. Pwedeng nakakatawa, pwedeng naiyak kayo, pwedeng napahiya kayo. Basta pinaka-memorable na moment sa inuman na nangyari sa inyo. Buong buhay nyo. Ikwento sa comments. Go!
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Say, I'm Rosie. Can you say Rosie? Can you say please? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Hi. Hi. Where's your pocket face? Oh, sus. Where's your tummy? Tummy, tummy, tummy. Where's your heart? Heart. Oh, where is your nose? Your foot. Where's your foot? Foot. Say hi. My name is Rosie. How much do you love Mama? How much? This much. Wow, you love Mama so much. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Wow, slow mo. Pam pam na. Pam pam. Ay, sus. Pam pam.
Huwag kang nakikialam sa gusto ng anak ko. Nakikialam ka sa gusto ng anak ko. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
How about kiss?
Mwah! Come here, come here. Peanut, peanut, peanut. Mwah! Okay. Sleep, sleep. Good night. Good night. Good night. Peanut, peanut. Sleep na daw, sleep na. Good night. Good night. Sleep na. Okay, sleep na. Hi guys! May shoot ako today, parang Father's Day episode din to. Kasama ang bagets. Yes, for smart parenting. May shoot tayo ngayon, wala si How How. So, ang pakiusap ko sa'yo, anak, galingan mo naman. Kailangan sweet ka sa akin kasi. Tapos na kagad yung shoot. Peanut? Yes, Papa? Oh, Peanut. Ano ko ba talaga to? May ebidensya ba kayong anak ko? Peanut? Yes, Papa? Parang diring-diring siya. Ito ang payo ko sa mga magulang. Remote lang masaya ang mga anak ninyo. Sa bahay siya, puro remote lang. Pili ko itong batang ito magiging TV technician paglaki. So mga huwag na kayo bumili ng laruan. Kita mo? Mga bago magulang dyan, huwag na kayo bumili ng mahal na laruan. Box, remote, masaya na yung mga chikiting na yan.